Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're walking you through how to add the product comparison number 1 section to your Shopify store. This section is a must-have for any store selling multiple variants or similar products. It lays out a clean, side-by-side comparison table so your customers can quickly figure out which product is the best fit for them. No second guessing, no back and forth. Just clarity that converts. Let's get into it. First, head to the Shopify App Store and install Iconic Sections. Once it's installed, open the app and navigate to the Sections library. Search for Product Comparison Number 1, click on it, select your theme, and hit Install. That's all it takes to get it ready. Now go to Customize in your theme editor. If you're on your home page, click into the Products option and swap it out for the product you want to build the comparison around. Then click Add Section, search for Product Comparison Number 1, and add it to your page. And just like that, your comparison table is live on the page. Now by default, the section uses product recommendations to automatically pull in related products to compare against, and you can see those appearing on the right side of the table. If you want to handpick exactly which products are being compared, go to Product Source and switch the option to Custom Products. From there, manually select the products you want to compare side by side. Both options work great. It just depends on how much control you want. Now let's go through all the ways you can customize this section to match your brand perfectly. Starting with the background, choose any solid color or add a gradient for a more premium feel. I'll keep mine white and clean for now. Next, typography. Iconic Sections gives you a wide range of fonts to choose from, and you can even bring in a custom font if you have one. Under Content, set the alignment for your heading and subheading, centered, left, or right, whatever suits your layout. In heading settings, update the text to whatever fits your store. I'll change mine to "Which product to buy," then adjust the height, style, and color to match. Under Text, update your subheading. I'll go with Compare Products. Then fine-tune the font size, line height, style, and color. Now under Related Product Style you have Image. Set the product image ratio to square, portrait, or landscape. I'll keep it square for a clean, consistent look. Buy button. Fully customizable. Change the style or toggle it off entirely if you prefer. There are also detailed controls for border, price color, stock color, icon color, color swatches, and a highlight difference option. Under table style, you can set maximum number of products shown, column width, font size, line height, alignment, style, and background color. For border, adjust the style, color, and thickness. Under header, control the font size, line height for mobile, font weight, style, color, and background color. Main product column. Adjust the color to make your hero product stand out. Spacing. Set horizontal and vertical spacing to get the layout feeling just right. And finally, under section style, box shadow. Adjust color, opacity, horizontal offset, vertical offset, blur, and spread. Border, padding, and margin for precise layout control. And a custom CSS option if you want to go even further. One of the most powerful features of this section is the ability to add, delete, or fully customize blocks in your comparison table. You can add a custom block and fill in the details manually. Let me show you a quick example. I'll set the title to fit and add the data values. In-ear, in-ear, over-ear, over-ear. And as you can see, it's been added to the table instantly. That's how easy it is to build out a fully detailed, branded comparison experience. I've gone ahead and completed the full section with all the details filled in. So let's jump to the preview. Now that everything is set up, let's hit preview and see how it looks on the live page. And there it is, a clean, professional product comparison table that makes it effortless for customers to choose the right product. Exactly the kind of experience that builds confidence and drives more purchases. So if you're ready to help your customers make smarter buying decisions, go install Iconic Sections from the Shopify App Store today. And if you found this helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got more sections and Shopify tips coming your way every week. See you in the next one.